Hello, welcome to Elias Construction. We are a licensed full-service contractor that has been serving the Rochester area for over 10 years. But what exactly do we do? We specialize in mid to large scale remodels as well as building new homes. We also offer a guaranteed lifetime warranty. To start working with us, determine what is your project. A new kitchen, a bigger master suite, finishing your lower level, or perhaps building a whole new home. We offer on-site consultations where we discuss your ideas. Afterwards, we get to work gathering costs and drawing floor plans. Behind the scenes, we create a detailed proposal with bids from our trusted subcontractors. At a follow-up meeting, we will present your proposal and answer all your questions. Once you sign a contract, you are officially an Elias client. You may feel overwhelmed with all the decisions, but we have an in-house designer to help you every step of the way. At Elias, we provide peace of mind with our safe practices, organized processes, detailed scheduling, and quality craftsmanship. Contact us today to experience the Elias difference.